In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube on your Hire TV, whether it's a basic smart TV with limited apps or an older model that doesn't have the latest features. Don't worry if YouTube isn't front and center. I'll walk you through all the best ways to get it working. First, if your Hire TV is a smart TV, grab your remote and press the Home or Menu button. Look through the pre-installed apps for YouTube. Sometimes it's listed under All Apps or in the main menu. If you don't see the YouTube app, check if your TV has access to an app store like the Google Play Store or Hire App Store. Use the search function to look for YouTube, then download and install it. Now, if your Hire TV doesn't support the YouTube app at all, no worries. There's still a way to watch YouTube. The easiest solution is to use a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Roku, or Chromecast. Just plug it into an HDMI port, connect to Wi-Fi, and download the official YouTube app from that device. Another option, if your Hire TV has an HDMI input, connect your laptop or Chromebook using an HDMI cable and mirror your screen. Open YouTube on your computer and play videos directly on your TV. And if your TV has a built-in web browser, open it and go to m.youtube.com. You'll get a mobile version of YouTube where you can search and play videos right from the browser. Thanks for watching. If one of these methods helped you finally watch YouTube on your Hire TV, drop a comment below and let me know which one worked best. Built-in app, streaming stick, or browser trick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy smart TV tips. See you next time.